It's time for a bold new chapter in Baltimore County. Our libraries were built at a very different time when people used libraries very differently from how they use them today. The average age of our libraries is about 50 years old, with our oldest facility being 205 years old. Our libraries were built at a time when people communicated differently, when people worked differently, and when people learned differently. At a very basic level, our facilities don't even have enough electrical outlets to support all of the personal devices each of us use on a daily basis. It's really important that we have branches that keep pace with the modern demands of technology. Beyond that, today's library customer has very different expectations for what today's public library experience should look like. People still come to the library for quiet spaces to read, study, learn, and work. But more and more, people are using libraries for noisy and social reasons, to gather, to play, to explore, to create. Today's libraries must accommodate both traditional and non-traditional uses side by side in the same facility. We currently have 19 branches around the county, and our goal is to modernize every single one of them. We want spaces that not only function for the 21st century, but can also inspire, empower, and serve generations to come. Watch on to see some great examples from some of our sister library systems, and then imagine what is possible for Baltimore County Public Library. Public libraries transform lives, and the vehicle for that transformation is often our library branches. A bold new chapter means more than just updated buildings. It's about creating vibrant, inclusive spaces where innovation, lifelong learning, and community connection thrive. We are excited to create 21st century libraries that can help our residents explore, learn, create, and connect.